Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is November 1st, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 6.5 points to 2117.5 per contract. All in all, you can see the futures were a little bit higher, but they have rolled over a bit. Yesterday, we had another roller coaster session. Even though the market did carve itself out a nice positive day, the rally really faded in the final 30 minutes of the session, and we saw a pretty good little pullback into the closing bell. So we'll see what today gives us. I'm expecting more of the same, but we'll see what we get. But we have lots, and I do mean lots of earnings out here, so let's get started with them. First one we're going to look at today is going to be TEVA Pharmaceuticals. They reported earnings. The stock is getting a pop, closed at $19.98, now trading at $21.40. So nice little move there. I think TEVA might have some room to run, maybe up to the 22.80, possibly 23 level. So if you own it, trail the stop loss immediately. If you don't own it, I'd probably sit tight right now. You are above a big level at 21, so it might have some room to run to 22.80, possibly $23 today. I think that's where it will stall out, but we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Dow Dupont. This just came out. I have not had a chance to look at it yet. Stock is gapping up a little bit, closed at $53.92, now trading at $56.75. So good little pop there for Dow Dupont. Again, I'm not really sure we're going to see a whole lot more here. We're running into a daily chart 20 MA right around 57.50. You can see that's where it stalled out. So again, we'll have to watch this one closely, but nice little pop nonetheless, and we'll see if it can get a little bit higher once the opening bell rings. But Dow Dupont will be on our radar today. Let's take a look at good old CI, which is Cigna Corp. Right now, this is trading at $219.01, closed at $213.81. So that's a good little move there. When I look at this stock, I do think this has been one of the strongest names out here. So this might have some more upside to go. But again, if you look at a weekly chart here, and this is something I like to do, watch this big resistance level that's coming up. So you got this big wide range bar. There's going to be a lot of resistance there. So I'm not sure we'll see too much upside from here in Cigna, but if it consolidates, then it is looking to go up. Let's take a look at NXPI, which is NXP Semi. This is gapping up this morning. This is trading at $79.25, closed at $74.99. So again, nice little pop there for NXP. I do own call options. Full disclosure, I do own call options in NXPI. So I just want everybody to know that, and we'll see how this plays out once the opening bell rings. When I look at the stock at the moment, if it can clear 80, it may have some running room, but again, there's going to be a little sticking point there. Let's take a look at Wayfair. Ticker symbol is W. This stock trading down sharply from 110.29 at the close yesterday. Right now it's at 95. Briefly got below 90. I will have gap levels ready for this to go. Gap levels ready right at 930. So again, I'll have those posted up. But I do see some levels here for Wayfair that I would get involved in. So again, I'll post those up at 9:30 in the morning. That'll be in the intraday stock chat room. Next up, we want to take a look at QRVO, which is QRVO. This is a nice pop. Stock closed at $73.51. QRVO now trading at $77. When I look at this one, I have to think this might have a little bit more upside, but when we get into the $78 area, there's definitely starts to turn out to be a lot of resistance there, so we'll see how that plays out. Next up, I want to take a look at Haynes Brand, HBI as a ticker symbol. This is just getting hit again. Stock has been downtrending for quite a while and closed at $17.16, now trading at $16.25. Honestly, I don't see anything to do here. We'll look at it maybe when the opening bell rings. I just don't see a play. Let's take a look at Allstate. Allstate trading at $92.70, closed at $95.72. I think there's a lot of support around the $90.45 level if it gets there today. So keep that on the radar. We'll see how it plays out. Next up, we want to take a look at Apache. APA is the ticker symbol here. This is trading at $38.76. Closed at $37.85, so you got a little uptick there. Again, we'll see if Apache can hold these recent lows. This stock has been hit pretty hard I'm going to say ever since October 10th. So again, Apache trying to catch a little bit of a bid here. We have lots of other earnings out there, but we can't get to them all today. So let's get started here with the gold market. Gold today catching a huge bid, up $15.50, trading at $1,230.50 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD today, that is getting a good pop back above 116.25. What's the catalyst here? Weaker dollar. Dollar goes down, gold goes up. Take a look at the daily dollar here. See that nice big sell-off in the dollar, and sure enough, that is lifting up the gold price. So again, dollar down, gold up, gold getting a good bid. Gold has been kind of a fear trade as of late. Next up, we want to take a look at crude oil. Crude oil this morning. Where is my chart here? Crude oil trading down 31 cents to $65 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF to track crude oil, that's trading at $13.77. I do see some support around $12.80 today for the USO, so keep that on the radar if it gets there in a little while. We'll see how that plays out. Once again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. It's been really a fantastic 2018. We're going to look to keep this going right into the end of the year. Swing trades are also on fire, so if you haven't tried out the Research Center, take a 7-day free trial there. I think we closed out about 5 or 6 long trades yesterday. We have a lot more going on in the pipeline as well right now. It's really a time to come in and trade alongside of us. So with that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it there short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will